Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing a simple tip for cleaning and storing your strawberries. I've been doing this for the past 2 years and it keeps my fruit fresh, which has been really helpful in preventing waste. Let's get started. First, I'll be filling a large bowl with cold water and adding some apple cider vinegar. Next, I'll place the strawberries in the water vinegar solution with the stems on for about 15 minutes. So after about 15 minutes, I'll inspect the strawberries and I'll get rid of any berries that are too soft. Once I've inspected all the strawberries, I'll strain them and then give them a good rinse under cold water. Next, I'll transfer them to my salad spinner so that I can shake off any excess moisture. For strawberries, it's really important to ensure that they are thoroughly dry before storing them. So I'm going to line a long pan with paper towels, and then I'll place the strawberries in there so that they have enough space to dry. I like to let my strawberries sit out on my kitchen counter for about 45 minutes to air dry before storing them. So I'm going to place them on their side for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to place them on their stems for the remaining time. All right, you guys, so it's been about 45 minutes. The strawberries are nice and dry, so I can go ahead and either store them back in that container that they came in, or what I actually like to do is place them in a glass container that I line with a paper towel, and then I'll put them in my refrigerator where they'll last for about 5 days. When I first started doing this, I used to cut the stems off first. But over the years, I've found that leaving the stem on helps to preserve the freshness of the strawberry. And we just cut the stems off as we eat them. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like blueberries, go ahead and check out this video right here. As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye.